What the government of Italy wants to achieve is that we are able to talk to the teenagers and to the young people. We cannot only talk about financial rules, we also have to give a signal that we care for them. And this is one way, as for instance I could mention the great success of the Erasmus program. So we have to insist on giving positive messages. As Prime Minister Cerar said in Bled, we have to be able to speak to the hearts and minds of our citizens. I think that this contribution goes in that direction of showing that the government cares for these values. This is just one of the many measures that are being taken by the government, of course, and this will not go to the detriment of others. Now there are other measures that are being taken for pensioners in order to support them. So we have to take care of all the various levels of the societies, the young people, the elderly people. We cannot limit only to one segment of the society. I don't think we should talk about migration. We are talking about two European countries. It is the freedom of movement. So I think people are free to go to another countries if they wish to. So this is one of the great values of the European Union. If people feel that they are better off in Slovenia, why not? I mean, it's up to them to make a decision. This is one of the great practical results of the European Union, and we should care about these very positive lessons. The main challenge that we're facing is that our level of growth is still very limited. The trend has been reversed, so we have now growth that is picking up and unemployment is going down, but it's still not enough. As far as the banks are concerned, the stress tests by the ECB have shown that in Italy we have both the best and the worst of the banks, and the best one is also present in Slovenia, by the way. On the capitalization, so measures will be taken. The government is talking with the Commission to find the best ways in agreement with them. I think the role of Italy is not changing enormously, because being third or fourth doesn't change much. Italy is and will be a prominent country in the EU and wants to give a constructive effort and contribution to the development of Europe. Of course, if there are countries that share our views, like as I have mentioned before, the proposal on the migration compact or the European unemployment scheme, it will be the better.